Alright guys, here to show you my Grandma Zippin's scanners I just ordered and received. And that is the box it came in. These are the actual scanners themselves. This is a 27-inch length. You receive 2 scanners and the connectors, a nice O-ring, and a screw clamp that fasten to these leads that go to the controller. Instruction page, wiring diagram. They actually include a switch. Nice touch. I actually had my own switch, so I'm using that. This is a remote. Even though I got the Bluetooth controller, the remote is used to control the LED lights, brake lights. So I opted for the brake light feature. So even if they are not switched on, there's a pigtail that they include. There's an extra charge for it. You unplug your brake lights, you plug your brake lights into the Y. This goes back into your brake light, the existing brake light. The Y's in, and this is a relay. And this just gets tucked up right in your razor and then wired in, and that's it. So those are the leads coming off of the one side. You have the brake featured leads, then you have the leads to the scanners or whips. On the other side you have a lead. I talked to them and they actually gave me some extra cable so I wouldn't have to splice it, and on the end is just a power and ground. I've added some ends just to test fit it, make sure everything worked. So this is what's included from the Grandma's whips for the scanners. It's a nice setup. Alright, this is a quick video on the Grandma Zippin's scanner. I installed it on the back of my rear window frame, and I decided to install just one. There's 2 scanners that are included. Still need to zip tie it. Right now it's just self-adhesive attached. Very thin, thinner than my finger. Got a single cable that comes through, zip tied down underneath the seat. I added a red light switch, turn it on, and the scanner starts going. And it is in scan mode, kind of just showing you guys the app here as you change these. Right now it's changing colors as you scroll through it. It's on the fastest speed. You can slow it down. So speed setting, brightness setting. They are bright. It's full brightness. I've noticed there's 180 of these effects, and basically 6 or 8 of them just basically with the same scan but just changing the colors, as you can see here. And then there's different versions. Obviously, again, the center one, you can speed things up or slow things down. I've not played around with the app a whole bunch to figure out if you can save presets. I know you can do colors. I've made this orange color, so you can go and I think this purplish one. So here's a pink. If you click on it and change it to kind of this little bit of a greenish, it's now saved. You can go back to it. So you can save presets for do-it-yourself colors on the app, but I'm not sure how to save or if you can save some of these program scans or the effect scans. So I'll scroll through a couple of them real quick for you guys. There's a variety of things in here. So I just need to figure out which I like. Again, I primarily got this because I ride in a lot of dust and want people to be able to see me behind. The other feature is I don't have the key turned all the way, but I will, and it will engage with the brake lights. So I'll show you that. Brake, release, brake, the other thing on the app, it does have a music section where it will basically go to the music, and there's a sensitivity gain here, and then there's, just like before, you have different versions. Let me put a song on with a beat. There you go. And again, similar, a lot of different options for you. And then it's got the strip setting, and then it's also got matrix. And I think if you had more, it would basically display these different sizes. So, all right, let me turn this off. Again, we'll go back to your scanning options. So that's pretty much it. I'll play around with it some more, but seems to be exactly what I was looking for. So they make these in a variety of sizes, and customer service has been phenomenal. So I'll continue to report back and let you know how it does and performs out actually after I've had a chance to use it some more. That's it. If you have any questions, just comment below and I'll try and answer them for you.